It's nothing for me swing with the Ingram send chat. No, with a straight fucking kill man.
Yeah.
And they say, low, UMF.
Hey, Stacy, we there?
Why outside?
Outside where?
Outside with the dunce dogs, with beads and slugs. We're my dogs from large east and south. Chat too much dog, this easy amount. Everything precise, no doubt. Outside with the dunce dogs, with beads and slugs. Keep it girl inside when the team
Boom! What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs aka Reaction Boss. I'm back with another video for you guys. Right now people have Gskell 12K. JohnWick killing everybody like JohnWick. Big up one buckler not normal scam. Yeah, me and man produced by Chef. Official audio, JohnWick still people. Gskell. When they been recommending this song, you hear me and say, yeah, I know. But guess what? When the kid busy, I also know it's the weekend right now, though. I know some have work for go right now, though. But I still try to get the video out there too in the same way. I still try to do more than one video like, dog, get us too crazy, dog. Why you want to do so much one buck out? That's the one video going to hurt the dog. You stay so. People don't forget entertain Tyreek. What you talk about? Run bumbuckler tune then when I let's shut things.
It's nothing for me swing with the Ingram send chat. No, with a straight fucking kill man.
Yeah.
And they say, low, UMF.
He start off brawling. The past boss is in full effect, by the way. But him start off brawling. Who him I got this now? Alright, who this Gskell him want? Now I go on or something. Go tell him who I go on now. And recommend the song. So you not get the reaction right now. So comment to I go on in the comment section. Go on.
If you go drill man, send him up.
Alright. Send him up. Alright. We get the light already, you know, because I know so that's going to go hard, no blood clot, you know. We light it. Alright. It kind of, the lighter, you know, the lighter goes touching them, man, because over here it's supposed to start snow over here and bathing again. Wanna go back to Jamaica, yeah, fuck? Alright, let's strike. Go on! Up! Wow, nobody run of them blood clot things. People like the video if you don't like the video. Yeah, you me attack. Or if you start the video, you reach so far now the video and you don't like the video, like, get out of here! Like up the video, man. Comment some fire emoji right now. I'm going to see some JohnWick by who? Gskell. Go on!
Our can handle, should I try another hand? In a the gamble, now you get tangled. Suicide, strangle, face.
That? Right now, why you can't angle? You should have tried another honey in the blood clot gamble. Suicide, strangle. What the light up moves a dollar? Bomba clot, fuck with the men's youth. Bomba clot, man. Cha! Go on!
Mantle shot from your head to your ankle. Identify them just for DNA sample. Body parts scatter.
Shot from your head to your ankle. Them can't identify you don't do the DNA sample. What you do with them, Sir Gskell? You know what? Just go on, means stop up then, man. Just go on.
Me call that scramble. Close casket, them get shot from every angle.
Chef.
Every angle.
Basically, man, sure say, yo, when the guy here, the man the funeral, dog, you can't even see the body. They not what my casket funeral this. You can't go to some woman look and my mommy go and cry and the family go. No. You can't see it. You know. No. But go on.
Well bad like we name JohnWick. Bully evil with the new drumstick.
Yeah.
Brazil thugs them gun nasty.
Brazil thugs them. But dog say him fully bomba clot like him name JohnWick. People have scam and go about them water right now. Me have to say it. Drop some fire emoji right now in the comment section right now and see if you like the video yet. Like the Bumbuckle Belt video right now. Run the Bumbuckle tune then, man.
PG let me play drastic. Well bad like we name JohnWick. Bully evil with the new drumstick.
Fully bad like we name JohnWick. Fully evil like what? Bumbuckle clan, I remember. Fast. My brain not there, dog. Wake up too early this morning. Wake up too early. Me need to start umbilical early and too much ras pum boy. I need to stop, you know, dog. Sure. Need to stop, man. Not because you get the card now. Right, John!
Brazil thugs, them gun nasty. JBG left the place drastic. Raise up the Ingham, bullet sting man.
What if you place drastic? More US left a bomb buckler place drastic, yeah. Bomb buckler clean.
He left the place drastic. Raise up the them gun nasty. JBG left the place drastic. Raise up the Ingham.
I don't know why I'm saying left the place drastic. If I can I comment and say GVG left the place drastic or GVG. I don't know. Tell me, CVG. I don't know, I'm not spoil it. Run bomb buckler tune. Rise up the Ingram.
Bullet sting man. Pierce through skin and fling man. If all I say is that Mr.
Rise up the Ingram. Bullet sting man. Blaze up a bumbo class youth. This is some bumbo class Gskell right now. Talk to them, brother. Talk to them.
Me talk couple hit man. Do me no miss man.
Yeah.
Not a dead, but a boy down in the ass.
Another day. Another body me put on. The man said no miss. But then I go from target and say so one for over this and I say then no. The man no miss. Straight shot. Go on.
ABG we a kill boy first. We a kill boy first. We a kill boy first.
Bad man, sir. Bad man, you name, sir. I kill the boy them first, sir. Big up, chef. Producer, your name bad do a dog. Chef. Cook up, man. Say cook up the rhythm them. Chef. Go on.
All we Glock clip 30 plus. All guns new with no 30 rust. Caledonia love surgery plus. You
You
and
know what I'm saying? All guns new. Them dirty rust. And that him say a while ago. So a bean you gun them man here, boss. That him I make you know. You know what? Like if you do. Run tune.
hesitate figure 30 so. If Swan say so, UMF never left it. Half us say so, UMF never left it. If you
Moment of silence. Go on.
say so, UMF never left it. Teflon say so, UMF never left it. Well bad like we name JohnWick.
See, me really did that try for you, myself. That's how we back pass it and me really try to measure myself. What? Never left it. That, me don't know. This coming like coming, you know, me just started the Trinidad reaction, dog, I'm sure you understand. Like Bumbo Clat, dog. What's his name? Like Rifle War. Check out Rifle War reaction, brother. The man that says Saint Paul, the man that says Saint Ann, brother, like Jamaica, brother. But yo, I'm feel for delete that video sometimes, brother. I feel like a big idiot now that I know what I'm not talking about. I know the song and thing, dog. I feel for delete the blood clean video, dog. But go on.
The evil with the new drumstick. Brazil dogs, them gun nasty.
You're already.
Nasty. JBG left the place drastic. This kill the pussy, full them up a bungs. Me go run up on them ends.
This auntie kill the pussy full on for months. You go pan them ends. You must not too bad. You're not brawling with everything, so dog. You need to calm down in the bumbo class sometime, dog. Sure. You know if you fuck up the rules, so dog. Come on, man. Come on, man. Calm down in the bumbo class man.
About 100 round, drop a duppy now, flip him up like a patty now, pussy happy now, circle, I make clap him now, boy dead.
Drop a duppy now, flip him up like a patty, yo, pussy, yo, boy dead. Me like the flow. People want to say. If Gskell go on, but don't want to say. Be a fire emoji in the comment section and like up the video right now. You didn't hear say. Yeah. Until I check out my first Gskell reaction, it's on my other channel. It's called Just Tie Tie. I think the song name, yeah. See there, anybody. Yeah, man, you can check out the reaction. They're bad, man. Bad picture of something. Go over there, go watch it. You dig me? Run tune.
World clip, place run red. Side come and name, come and sick in me head.
Yeah.
Outside key, last boy, this dead.
The dog say name Psycho because him sick in my head. Want to know about them man people? No, want to really know about them man people? This is some Gskell, yeah, man, and come on the bumbuckle by self, yeah, man. And run tune, yeah, man.
Tough chat, man, a boy with lead. Yo, chef, empty the clip, nothing left. Big AR, we no tote, nothing less. We go aim for them.
Him too bad. And see anybody who mad this, if somebody mad this, it's just a bad song. But if somebody mad this, I have to reply. I know how I reply to, you know. Like, Clash Iron is in effect tomorrow. Just saying. Somebody might reply to somebody And the clash might have gone. Might have call a name on that video, but we don't know the chap already. The clash hype man is back. We start a clash. I say 40.
Show them gal inna them breast. You know what you can handle. Should I try
Song done, yes. Big up for yourself. Check out Gskell. Make you know the reaction bar sending over this one. Like out the one buckle video right now. Me know I feel that way, but guess what? The pause boss is just back in effect. He might disappear, you know. You know what? If you don't want to see the pause boss, go over just Ty channel. Just Ty. That's my other channel. The pause boss no over there, son. No over there yet. So we can go on over there right now. You see me? I'm over there now, but in a couple of months. But not right now. So right now, reaction boss in full effect over there, so me going over just Tyreek right now. We have from React to Riches by TJ. Right now go post over there, so go on. It post already. This one I go post. We after it post already. Go over there. Just Ty. My other channel. Go check it out.